Assalamualaikum, my name is Widi Mutakin. I've been teaching computer graphics since the year 2000 and also founded several creative-based companies such as Blast2Code and Expose 3D. This course will teach you how to create illustration in Photoshop very fast. The course is not about conventional digital painting method, which usually requires a lot of time and effort to finish. It combines both vector and raster techniques to produce sharp quality image from the start. The basic idea of the workflow is to mimic how the modern 3D computer graphic render path works. If you want to learn how to create high quality illustration in Photoshop, but you don't want to spend days or weeks just to finish an artwork, then this course is for you. I must warn you though that this course is not for complete beginners. If you never used Photoshop before, I suggest you take my previous introductory course to Photoshop, as it will provide fundamental proficiency to understand the lessons in this advanced course. At the first section of the course, we will discuss the most essential things in computer graphics. We will cover color models, documents color mode, image channels, hexadecimal color codes, different type of publishing image formats, and then learn how to export images from Photoshop correctly. In the next section, we will cover how to use filter, creating gradient color, and also pattern. Then we will move on to vector features inside Photoshop, how we can use the pen tool effectively, combine simple paths to form more complex paths, and then some practical usage of paths inside Photoshop. In our first project, we will create a simple airplane illustration using the techniques explained before. After that, we're going to use pressure-sensitive device such as Wacom tablet extensively. We're going to learn how to set up Wacom tablet correctly so it fits our speed illustration workflow. Then we're going to set up Photoshop's keyboard shortcuts and the UI also to get the most out of it. We're going to learn about the brush settings and how to create custom brush and custom tool presets. All of these are needed to prepare our working environment for the final project. The final project of this course is this character design illustration. We are going to draw this image in under 2 hours. Now, the real time that I took to finish this drawing is around 3 hours. But I was doing so while explaining a lot of techniques and concepts along the way. So you should be able to finish it in under 2 hours, inshallah. We will start from sketching the ideas, adding colors, adding shadings and highlights to it, and finally giving it final touches such as color bleeding, glows, backlight, and color correction. This is the final result of the project. The illustration workflow I'll be teaching in this course is very modular and adaptable, so you can use it with your own drawing style without any problem. So join now and take your illustration skill to the next level. See you on the other side. Wassalamualaikum.